This is a caterpillar cocoon. You see it moving? I had no idea caterpillars actually moved in the cocoon. Look at it. If I move stuff around, it jerks. That is so interesting. Here, I'm gonna put it down and see if it still does it. I think it moves to try to balance itself. That is really interesting. That's exactly what it's doing. It moves to balance itself. That is really cool. Every time I touch it, it moves just a little bit. I'll pick it back up so maybe you can see it one more time. Come on, buddy. It done stopped moving now. Oh well. That was really neat.